Hey, it's Cass from the Perris Library, and today we'll be making our very own bird feeder. We're going to start off with our plate, our peanut butter, and it could be any type that you want, our toilet paper tube, our cup of seeds, some scissors, string, 2 popsicle sticks, and a marker. If you didn't catch all that, don't worry, I wrote it down all for you. First thing you're going to do is grab your tube and your marker, and you're going to place 4 lines for your popsicle stick and string. Placing those lines, you're going to grab your scissors and start cutting them. Then you want to check that your popsicle stick fits through those lines and make adjustments if you have to. Same with the string. You want to make sure the string can go through those little lines, and if they can't, you could always make more adjustments. Like I did right here. I put a little slit through the middle of the line that I made so it would open up into a little triangle so it would be bigger for my string to go through to it. Once you were able to get through your string and your popsicle stick, you can now move on to your peanut butter and put it all over your tube with the other popsicle stick that we have to spread it all around evenly. Once you're done spreading, start grabbing your cup of seeds and put it onto the plate, and then spread it all over onto your tube where all the peanut butter is and press it in. Once you're done, you're going to be looking for that line where you put the popsicle stick and just pop it right through. To look for the holes that you made for your string, and you're going to pop the string right through and tie them up. And if you think you need more seeds, just put them right on. And this is what you should end up with. I hope you had fun, and I hope you hang this somewhere where birds are able to get it. Now let's move on to the book recommendation for this video. The book is called Frogs by Gail Gibson, and it's new and updated information about amphibians, and it's a great informative read for any child that loves amphibians. Next book is King of the Birds by Elise Gravel, and this is such a cute book about Arlo and Pips and their cute adventure together. I would definitely recommend if you love graphic novels. It is such a cute short read. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. There you'll find all types of resources we offer in all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you for watching!